So I start with this gift bag that I got from Dollar General. It was $1. And I'm going to cut out the mason jar picture on the front of the gift bag. I then had some fake snow, and I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use it as my stuffing. So I just cut it to the size of the mason jar, and I'm just using a rotary cutter and my mat. And once I had that, I just set that aside. I got this board from Hobby Lobby. It was $14.99, but I get mine when they're 50% off. And it's a 14 by 11 inch board. And I'm going to glue the mason jar picture starting at the bottom. And I'm just using some hot glue, and I'm going to take the fake snow and put it underneath the mason jar picture, and then finish gluing the edges. And once I had the sides glued down, I then just added a little hot glue to the top of the jar to finish it off. And now the fake snow underneath just made it a little puffy. Next, I had this Let It Snow sign. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I just want to use the word snow. So I'm just marking off where I'm going to cut, and I'm taking my metal shears that work great on the thin wood like this, and I'm just going to cut out the word snow. And that fit perfectly at the top. I'm going to take a 220 grit sandpaper and just sand the edges where I had cut. And then next I'm going to take some Wise Owl Snow Owl paint, and I'm just going to paint the entire word snow in the snow owl. And once that dry, I took some Wise Owl varnish. You can use Mod Podge as well, and I gave the entire word a coat of that, and I'm going to take some fine silver glitter and just dump it on top of my wet varnish. I like to take my finger and just pat down the glitter to make sure that it sticks good. And then I'm just going to tap the extra off. I allowed that to dry, and then I'm going to take my hot glue and attach the word snow to the top of my board. I have this Decor metallic pearl white paint, and I'm going to paint these small snowflakes I got from Michael's. And it just gives them a little bit of a shimmer. And once they were dry, I just glued them to my board. I put one on the big snowflake of the word snow, and then I scattered the other 3 around my mason jar. And there you go. Now we just have this cute snow sign made from a gift bag. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out some other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.